DJI's Neo line has always been an entry point for beginners or those seeking an affordable, lightweight drone. But the upcoming Neo 2 promises to transcend these expectations. With a host of rumored enhancements, it could potentially position itself as a worthy competitor, not just to its predecessor, but also to higher-tier drones like the DJI Flip. Let's take a closer look at why the DJI Neo 2 could be the next must-have drone for enthusiasts and casual users alike. The original DJI Neo was an excellent entry-level drone, retailing at just $200, but it had its limitations. Its lightweight construction, while making it easy to carry, often caused stability issues in windy conditions. The Neo's 15-minute battery life also meant frequent interruptions during flights, making it less practical for extended sessions. Furthermore, the absence of advanced features such as obstacle avoidance and robust AI tracking made it feel basic when compared to more advanced models like the DJI Flip. The Neo's camera, while capable of shooting in 4K, was limited by its smaller sensor, leading to average performance in low-light conditions. Despite these shortcomings, the Neo was a solid option for beginners, offering a glimpse into the world of drones without breaking the bank. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to address many of these concerns. First, let's talk about design and build quality. While the original Neo was made of lightweight plastic that felt fragile, the Neo 2 is expected to feature a sturdier construction while still maintaining its lightweight nature. Reports suggest a revised propeller guard design made from more durable materials, offering better protection without adding significant weight. At 140 grams, the Neo 2 might still qualify for the sub-249-gram weight class, making it a legal option for casual pilots in many regions without the need for registration. This lightweight build will likely be paired with a new foldable design, a feature absent in the original Neo but seen in the DJI Flip, enhancing portability and convenience. Battery life is another critical area where the Neo 2 could shine. The original Neo's 15-minute flight time was a significant drawback, especially for users looking to capture extended footage. The Neo 2 is expected to come with an upgraded battery system offering up to 20 minutes of flight time. While still not as impressive as the DJI Flip's 31-minute runtime, this improvement would make the Neo 2 far more practical for longer sessions. Additional battery packs will likely be available, but their cost should be considered, as it was a factor in pushing the Neo's total price higher when accessories were added. The camera on the Neo 2 is another area where DJI seems to be focusing its efforts. The original Neo featured a 1.2-inch sensor capable of shooting 4K video, but it struggled in dynamic lighting conditions. The Neo 2 is rumored to include a larger 1.8-inch sensor, along with improved image stabilization and potentially a 3-axis gimbal. This upgrade would allow for more detailed footage, better low-light performance, and smoother video quality overall. While it may not match the DJI Flip's 48-megapixel camera and advanced HDR capabilities, the Neo 2's camera upgrades would make it far more appealing to hobbyists and budding content creators. Additional features like vertical shooting and basic AI tracking might also be introduced, bridging the gap between casual and professional use. Flight performance is where the DJI Neo 2 could truly set itself apart from its predecessor. The original Neo's lack of obstacle avoidance and limited wind resistance made it unsuitable for anything but the most forgiving conditions. The Neo 2 is rumored to include a basic obstacle detection system, similar to what's seen in DJI's mid-range models. While it may not match the Flip's advanced 3D infrared sensing system, even a simplified version would significantly enhance the Neo 2's usability. Additionally, the Neo 2 is expected to offer a slight boost in top speed, making it a more dynamic option for those looking to capture action-packed footage. Another area of improvement for the Neo 2 is in its control options. The original Neo could be operated using the DJI Fly app or an optional physical remote controller. However, the app's touch controls were often criticized for their lack of precision, and the RCN3 controller, though effective, added $129 to the overall cost. The Neo 2 is expected to come with an improved app interface, addressing the latency and usability issues of its predecessor. There's also speculation that the Neo 2 might include a basic remote controller in its base package, making it more appealing to users who prioritize precise controls without additional spending. One of the most exciting rumors about the Neo 2 is its potential integration of smarter features aimed at beginner-friendly automation. Features like Follow Me mode and Quick Shots, already available on the original Neo, are likely to be enhanced. The addition of improved AI subject tracking, seen in higher-end drones like the Flip, could make the Neo 2 a compelling option for vloggers and content creators who want a simple yet effective tool for capturing dynamic footage. The rumored inclusion of geofencing and advanced return-to-home functionality could also add an extra layer of safety, which would be particularly beneficial for novice pilots. Price is always a critical factor, and the Neo 2's positioning will play a significant role in its success. The original Neo's $200 price tag made it one of the most affordable options on the market, but the cost of accessories often pushed the total investment closer to $400. The Neo 2 is expected to launch at a slightly higher price, potentially around $250 to $300. While this might seem like a leap, the inclusion of advanced features and improved build quality could easily justify the increase. If DJI offers a bundled option with additional batteries and a remote controller at a competitive price, it could make the Neo 2 an irresistible option for its target audience. In comparison to the DJI Flip, the Neo 2 will likely remain a more budget-friendly option. The Flip's $400 to $600 price point reflects its professional-grade features, including a 48-megapixel camera, 31-minute flight time, and advanced AI capabilities. While the Neo 2 won't compete directly with the Flip, its enhancements could position it as a more accessible alternative for users who don't require top-of-the-line specs, but still want a reliable and feature-rich drone. The Neo 2's release in the third quarter of 2025 positions it as a timely upgrade for those looking to enter the drone market or replace an aging model. By addressing the shortcomings of the original Neo while incorporating elements from higher-tier drones, the Neo 2 could strike a perfect balance between affordability and functionality. Its anticipated improvements in design, camera performance, flight capabilities, and usability make it a strong contender in the increasingly crowded drone market. So, what else do you expect to see in the DJI Neo 2? Share with us in the comments. Thanks for watching.